We are live on the YouTube too. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I can see that. I can see that. It's pushing up. It's pushing up. Okay. It's wanna take this area. Good job. Good job. I'm getting protective. Okay. Wait. Wait. And Nasdaq. Nasdaq is going in the way I wanted. So US30 is okay. Okay. There is another setup on US30 too. I'm not taking this setup on the US30. Overall, to one on mentorship student, have you got this setup? Hmm? Have you got this setup on the institutional gap model? Ihtisham, Fawad Khan, have you got this setup on institutional gap model? There is a setup. Take entry. No, wait for it. Wait for it. I'm not taking entry. It's not A++ setup I want to take. No. Basically, for a price to move, we need few things, okay? And if I look at here, let me just give you example, okay? For example, there is a lion, okay, and a lion want to eat something, and he's hungry. So if he is getting his meal over there, right here, so what will be the reason that the lion will move here, right here, to get there and get the meal over there? If the lion is getting meal right there, this is not a good quality setup. But for institutional gap model, this was a good setup. No, wait for it. On 930 surge model, this is not a good setup. Keep waiting. This will reverse like that. When like some of just like that, it reverses back. This is what we call it the market experience, okay? If I entered over there, this will be definitely my stop loss, but I didn't enter it. Why? Because I know exactly what is it trying to do. Now I can think of any kind of possibility. This was not a good setup. Why will you take a good setup? Keep waiting, guys. There is no need to hurry, okay? You guys should learn to wait for a good setup. If there is nothing special over there, just do not trade it. This will reverse. Even though my strategy is telling me that it is a buy setup over there, but this will reverse. I can say that. It will come like that. Just telling the market it has to do it, okay? I'm just telling it has to reverse like that, and it is reversing like that. It is reversing like that. This is what we call it experience, okay? Keep waiting, guys. We are saving your stop losses, and people are taking their stop losses. This is how we trade, okay? Nasdaq is confusing, okay? There is nothing special in the Nasdaq too. Today, basically, when the market give you a huge move, okay, just like that yesterday, just like yesterday, so the probability is that on the next day you will not be getting these kind of setups. So you should be waiting. And why am not at that point? Why am I not taking this setup? Like everyone just saw huge candles over there, but I didn't took it. But yesterday I saw huge candles over there. I entered over there and I just got a huge RR. This is the difference, okay? Huge candles doesn't matter. What matters is the execution. You should not be trusting the huge candles. It reverses. It reverses. Baby, this is how we trade. This is how we trade. We are eliminating the stop losses and we're taking the winners. That's crazy manipulation today, but we are not taking setup. If you look at that, it manipulated the sellers, now it is emulating the buyers, okay? And it is again reverse, it is going to be again reversing like that. You guys will be thinking that if he know exactly that the market is going to be doing this, why is he not taking entry over there? Because this is not statistically proven. And what I am trading is statistically proven. I know this is going to be happening, but I don't know will this happen in future or not. But this, if I follow my setup, I know it is going to be happening in future. It is going to be reversing like that. Let's look at the Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq seems good now. Good job, baby. Good job. Nasdaq seems good now. I want to see a push like that, okay? I want to see a push like that so that I can execute and target at least this area. Nasdaq will be a good trade if I got this area. Waiting. Keep waiting. Market, I want you to manipulate me. I'm sitting here. Please. Please, baby. Accuracy like that. When you are just watching the markets. Okay, there is something else I want to share with you, okay? The market will humble you sometime. It is gonna be happening to you guys, okay? But you need to be in confidence that okay, your data is proven and your data says that it is profitable. Just trust your data. If I am here like trading the markets like that with that confidence, I know exactly what my data says, okay? I have tested that a lot. If I didn't got any setup within the next 5 minutes, I will close the live stream. I want a setup within the next 5 minutes because it is already here with the 4 standard deviation. Like yesterday, let me just give you a tip, okay? If you guys are here, let me just give you something. Let me just give you something. You can just apply the VWAP over there, and in simple words, I will just explain that to you guys. Is that just wait for the market on every 9:30 to come here and tape the last line over there. Then simply wait for one candle close up or any kind of purge. What do I mean by purge? A candle like that, where the wick is bigger and the body is smaller. Then you can just take trade on the opposite direction and target the mean. What is mean? Mean is the midline over there. This is the strategy which is profitable. You can also use this strategy, but I used it as a confluence, okay? This is not something I trade every day. If you look at that, again, same thing. If you go like that every single day, you will find this repetitively, okay? Because this is a pattern, it has to follow it. Again, 9:30, market goes like that, taps the 4 standard deviation, and it goes like that, back to the mean. It again taps the mean, 4 standard deviation, goes back to the mean. Like it's basically repetitive systems, okay? These are the kind of systems I trade. Repetitive. These repeats every day. Just dropped something. If you guys are serious and you want to be profitable, you can literally just create a strategy on that. And I'm don't take my words. You can first back test that, okay? Never ever risk your own money on a strategy if you haven't back tested that. First of all, back test any strategy that you are trading. Then after that, trade it. Don't do it like that. Within the next 3 minutes, if I didn't got any setup, we will close the live stream. I want the market to come here. Good job. Okay. It should go through this area with pressure. Okay. I want a pressure. This is not something I want to see. It is basically slow movement. I want the institutions to be involved. Okay. If the institutions get involved right there, I will trade it. Hello, Mama. Mama, I'm live streaming. See you. I got a call from my mother. You should never ever skip your call from your mother, okay? Even though if you are sitting with the president or whatever, you should always go with it. This is a good sell setup. This is a good sell setup on the Nasdaq, and US30 is getting choppy. I want to see that. The target is low. It's not a good huge RR over there. Like it will get like a kind of slow at that point. Uh, Even if you execute it right there, it will get slow at that point, and it's like 1:1. It's not a big trade. Then after that, it will a little bit retrace. Then it will go like that, and it will come here at that point. Take these stop losses. So let's see. To be honest, I want to avoid this setup too, even though it is going to be a good sell setup. That's not a good trading day. I don't want to trade that, even though this is a good trading setup. That's all, guys. We are gonna be seeing you tomorrow, okay? I'm gonna be watching out tomorrow. I don't want to trade this too. I don't want to trade it. Simple. See you guys. Bye bye. Tomorrow.